The Fiat Grande Panda is not just another small car. It's a bold new step in city driving. And today, we're uncovering exactly why this compact machine is getting so much global attention. Imagine a car that stays small on the outside, but becomes surprisingly spacious inside. A car that is simple, smart, and ready for modern roads. That's the Grande Panda, and its story starts now. Built by Fiat, a brand under the giant Stellantis group, this car enters the market with a clear purpose: to give drivers an affordable, practical, and stylish daily vehicle. Fiat focused on keeping the design strong, boxy, and confident, making sure it stands out without trying too hard. It's a B-segment subcompact hatchback, which means it's easy to handle, easy to park, and ideal for busy streets. The body comes in a 5-door hatchback layout, giving you good access to the front, the rear seats, and the cargo area. This simple shape makes the car more useful for families, students, and office workers who want a small car but still need real space. But the heart of the Grande Panda is its Stellantis Smart Car platform, also known as the CC21 architecture. This platform is the key reason the car is becoming popular. It supports hybrid, electric, and petrol options, giving every buyer a choice based on their driving style and budget. The same platform is used in multiple modern Stellantis models, which means stronger engineering, better safety features, and lower running costs. The Fiat Grande Panda focuses on one goal: simple, clever mobility. It's not a luxury car. It's not a sports car. It's a smart, everyday machine built for real people who want reliability, efficiency, and modern design without making life complicated.